Let's say that a certain patient has blood pressure readings, systolic readings, as indicated here. There are 20 readings taken perhaps consecutively during a day, and we might even, if we graph this, see a tendency to increase toward the middle of the day and then decrease toward the end. However, that's not what we're going to look at. What we're going to look at is what we call the frequency distribution of this information. Now, frequency distribution just means how frequently do we observe blood pressures between 125 and 129, or between 130 and 134, etc. Now I just realized I have to add a class here, 120 to 124. Okay, now I'm using what we call a class width of 5. And I'm starting with, this means that I'm going to group these things between 120 and 125, 125 and 130, and so forth. These are the classes, and the width of each class is 5. That is, 120, 121, 22, 23, and 24 makes 5 possible readings in this class. There are 5 possible readings in each class. We start with 120 and basically go by 5s. Now, if we tally what we have between 120 and 124, and I thought we had one. Yeah, here we go. There's 124. Okay, so I'm just going to tally that, and then I'll check this one off. 125 to 129, I've got 1. What have we got? We just got 1 there. Okay, we might miss 1. If we do, we'll catch it later. 130 to 134. It looks like we've got 1 here. And 1 here. That means we've got 2, and I'm just going to use tally marks for right now. Okay, 135 to 139 is the next category. Well, 135 is here, 139, 137. Another 139, that's 4. 136 makes 5. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, between 140 and 144, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 145 and 149, well, let's see, let's go back up here and look. 145 to 149, there's 1. And it looks like there's only 1 in that category. Now 150 to 154, let's see what we've got here. There's 151, 156 doesn't count. We'll remember to come back and get that. Anyhow, we had the 151, we got 152, that's 2 of them. Okay, so there are 2. Now I just saw 1 we missed. See this 135 here? That would go into this category. And then we've only got the 1 left, the 167 here, and that's down here. Wait, we didn't go back and get that 156. Now I left out a category. I left out 150 or 160 to 164. There weren't any in that category. That was blank. But we really shouldn't leave a category out. I was just running out of room here, and I did that. Anyhow, my totals, my frequencies are 1, 1, 2, 6, 5, 1, 2, 1. There's a 0 in there that I didn't write down, and a 1. These are frequencies. The frequency of times that we come in this range, the frequency of times we come into this range. And that's what we mean by a frequency distribution.